I forgot to open this one. Out of all the packages, let's go. Yo. Yes, sir. I don't know if you could necessarily call this obsessed, but I've been going crazy with these cards recently. Man, I don't know what it is. It's just woken this fire in me. So kind of an in real life card haul. Again, I know what I got, but I don't know what I got because as you can see, there's just so many packages around here. But let's just get right into this. Mostly, predominantly basketball cards. I think there is one little special card in here, which, you know, we'll see what's going on. But let's just start with this bad boy, nice and padded. Again, I feel like a lot of these cards, at least if I was to sell them, right? You want to keep the packaging nice because what if something happens? A lot of people just ship this simple first class. I don't know, it worries me a little bit, but so far I haven't had any problems with recent pickups that I've gotten. Let me know. I see a lot of you guys, I've been getting a lot of DMs recently like, yo, Mike, you're into cards now? That's fire. Yeah, bro, honestly. I haven't necessarily been going to Target and like trying to buy boxes and all that stuff. I'm not really as of now, I'm not really like that interested in recent stuff. More of like old school, 96 through, you know, 2008. Those were kind of like the prime time for me. I was born in 94, so my inspiration and my idols when I was a hooper was Carmelo Anthony, Dwayne Wade, Allen Iverson, obviously LeBron James, all the dudes that came up, Steve Nash, Tracy McGrady. Those were all my favorite players, but hands down, it was Carmelo Anthony. Wanted to be just like him. I had the cornrows, had the jersey, had every shoe. So this is like a staple into me becoming a sneakerhead, and I wish I would have been following this all these years, and I'm so glad that I found the box that I found of all my old cards, and you know, we're back at it. So let's see what we have in this first pack. Oh man, they really wrapped this up good. Oh, okay, so we have an Allen Iverson 1996, and this is a PSA 9. Now, if you guys don't know, Allen Iverson's card, his rookie card, is going crazy right now. These are only gonna get more and more expensive, so I figured I'd grab it while it was cheap, you know what I'm saying? So 155, I honestly feel like I paid a little bit more than 155 for this, so I'm assuming, I know there's a lot of card shows out there. I have yet to find one in Denver, but once I do, best believe I will be in there. But yeah, this is super fire. Now I'm gonna throw this other one in here because I know exactly what this is, and I was just in Philadelphia, first time ever, also in New York. So I'm actually here in New York. Today is my last day. I'm headed to Philly. All right, I'm gonna head out. You know, a lot of viewers are from like New York and the East Coast, so this ain't nothing new to y'all, but it's new to me, man. So this the homie Drew.
See the vibe, what up?
You ain't been in a vlog before, bro.
I haven't, I don't think so, no. Long time friend, but I haven't been in the vlog, I'm blessed.
Yeah, bro, honestly, a lot of my friends be low key, like, when I'm with them, we're just having good conversations, so I'll be pulling out the camera, vlogging, y'all missing out on the good stuff. Yo, peep the tennis ball in these things.
Another gift from us.
God damn, bro, is it Christmas?
It's a double joint, that's what Deshaun Watson collab, that one.
You see, let's do a little, here, you wanna see it?
Yeah, let me get a little presentation.
For you. See the bear. There's the Deshaun Watson catching logo. See what I'm saying? Saladin.
Yes, sir.
This is for you.
Oh, damn.
But it is signed from them.
That is fire. Thank you.
Because you're family. Only because you're family.
I've been going crazy with the cars, bro.
Yeah. I saw it. I saw you.
What cards be collecting?
Looking at Tops.
I've just been going after basketball cards. I mean, like, when I was younger.
You said Tops too, or just basketball cards?
Tops basketball, Tops Chrome. Oh, guys, I don't even know what's going on today. Like, Drew has just been blessing me with so much stuff. Like, this is literally a Deshaun Watson signed card. And you guys know, like, that's just been my most recent just obsession is cards. And sheesh, like, look at that. That is beautiful. Make sure you go check those vlogs out. They're really dope. Shot for Staple. But my homie Drew blessed me with this. And oh, shout out to y'all, man. This is So cool, man. Like, look at the presentation. Boom. Slide that bad boy out. So this is the King Saladin Deshaun Watson signed card. Peep that. That's just ridiculous, y'all. Like, this is such a beautiful card. Look, hit it with that silver Sharpie. Obviously, we have the certificate of authenticity. Be legendary. Shout out to y'all, man. This is dope. Okay, let's go for this bad boy. This looks really interesting. It's so funny to see how everyone packs these different. I almost sliced my finger. Oh my God. And I feel like you almost got to be really careful because obviously I don't know if this card is graded, if it's ungraded. I don't want to ruin it. Okay, so this looks like it's ungraded. What we got here? Oh no, this is a graded. Interesting how they wrapped it. Like, what? In an ink box. Ooh. It's a little risky what I just did, man. Ooh. I gotta be careful with the knife, but we got another Tracy Mcgrady, grade 10. Again, I feel like this is such an underrated card. I'm really looking to get a refractor, hopefully soon. But man, this is a dope card right here. Topps Finest. All the Topps Finest of Steve Nash. Kobe's is insane. Maybe I can get my hands on one of those one day. I'm really trying to stick to 10s, but sometimes, you know, you gotta settle for the 9 because 10s are just going crazy in price right now. Let's get tear action in here. What do we have? An ungraded card. Oh yeah. Carmelo Anthony rookie. 2003. Now, if you guys have seen the LeBron of these, they're going for like a smooth 20, 30, 40K. Carmelo, again, very unrated. I definitely need to get this graded, and it's just dope. Shout out to the Denver Nuggets. Shout out to Melo. These are gonna be worth a lot of money. And it's not all about money, right? I mean, it's about collecting, it's the fun of it, but at the same time, it's still an investment. It's still, you understand why people have assets and why investors are spending so much money on these cards. Let's go with the fragile card we got here. This is like being a kid in a candy store. You know, like with sneakers, you can get them and it's exciting, but this is just like a mystery. Just buying cards left. Oh my gosh. This is such a fire card. There's actually only one of these, the pop report for PSA. Only one PSA 10. Now, I'm sure someone might have a card out there, but this is the only one. This is a 1999 Topps Gold Label Tracy Mcgrady Class 2. A beautiful card, number 84. The hologram on this is insane. Like, you want to talk about a piece of history, a phenomenal card. This gold label goes crazy. Look at that. Like, is the camera picking up this beautiful hologram? That iridescent. Shh. This is a card that I will probably never sell. It is beautiful. This is a haul, man. This is what I'm talking about. What we got here? Some more graded. But blam, we couldn't just keep it at NBA. Had to get the Blaine's Charizard. This is a Gem Mint 10, 1998 PM, Japanese Gem 2, Halo. Had to get this. This ran me like $600. I think it's going for like 1,000 already. It's already appreciated. But man, I have the American, I guess you could say, Charizard. Blaine's Charizard. It's not in very good condition. It's probably like a gym, or it's probably like a PSA 3, but I had to get this just for my childhood, you know what I'm saying? Like, such a beautiful card. And honestly, I got a steal on this. The dude even messaged me like, man, I didn't even want to sell it this low, but he's trying to get a first edition Charizard. So I completely understand. He passed this down to me, and thank you, sir, man. I definitely appreciate that. This is such a fire card. And just the nostalgia, man. Like, I had a few of these as a kid, so I'm happy to have it. Like, we just heating up here, man. I love when I buy cards and the sellers like ship me more than what I thought I was gonna get. Like, I got that rookie Dirk Nowitzki, and he shipped me a bunch of Dirks, like other rookie cards, all that good stuff. I think that's a nice thing when you buy from like collectors that are just like selling their cards, not stores that are dedicated to just selling cards, if that makes any sense. Wasn't a very good job of how he taped this on here. This is a Topps 1952 style. Man, this is in really good condition. That's dope. Definitely need to sleeve that. So we have some other Francisco Garcias. Oh, we have a Dwayne. Yes, sir. Yo. Why? Why did I get all these? USA Dwayne Wade. I like this. This is fire. Then we have a Miles Bridges. Fire. OG. I'm just gonna leave it at that. I can't pronounce his last name. I ain't even gonna try. That Toronto jersey goes crazy. Wow, these are all in really good condition. No surface scratch. Sheesh. Extras, gotta love it. So in reality, I bought a bunch. I'm pretty sure this is like 6 or 8 Tracy Mcgrady rookie cards. So Tracy Mcgrady was actually the 9th pick overall. And I just keep telling y'all, hop on the Tracy Mcgrady if you're a fan, because these are gonna go up crazy in price. Like, I'm telling you, once people see how good Tracy Mcgrady was, one of the greatest players, and I don't understand, just because he doesn't have a ring, they don't want to let Tracy be great. But literally, I put Tracy Mcgrady up there with Kobe Bryant and Michael Jordan easily. So yeah, we have, what was that, 5 cards. Gonna get these all graded. This was a come up. Tracy Mcgrady is so undervalued right now. I'm telling you. Actually, I'm not telling you. You didn't hear nothing from me. I didn't even know they had cases like this. You could fit all of them in there. That's actually really fire. And to me, this is one of the better rookie cards. You got Tracy dunking. Like, Kobe's is pretty hard. Steve Nash's is a little bit boring. Next, we got 4 packages, including this one left. Okay, another ungraded card. What we got here? I see LeBron James. What the, bro? Using tape is just not a good look. So whatever this upper deck is, it's basically ruined. Not a good look, bro. Ah, this is the only annoying thing. Like, why don't people use like painter's tape or masking tape, not actual tape? Another AI. What's up with this? Oh, it's the upper deck rewards. That's pretty cool. Corner's a little jacked. This could potentially be a 9 or a 10. More of an 8 or a 9. This is gonna be like my first time submitting to PSA, so I'm looking forward to that. We'll see how it goes, and I'll do a video on it. More left. This is the most I have ever spent on cards. Oh, no, it's not graded. Oh, man. So these, I just bought these because if you guys know about the Dunk and Go Nut, oh yeah, Dunk and Go Nuts, these are just kind of like customs. It's not a real card. Like, someone just made these. You got the Michael Jordan. Like, the real version of this is like a smooth 2-5 band, something crazy. The Michael Jordan. So I just got customs just to have for the fun of it. These aren't really anything special, not even like a real card, but you have Sean Kemp, Shaquille O'Neal, Giannis. This one's really cool. Zion, pretty dope. Luka, Vince Carter, Anthony Hardaway, LeBron James, pretty dope. And then Kobe. Couldn't go wrong with these. Just kind of like a little fun thing. They're not worth anything at all. They just look really cool. So I bought them. Another ungraded card. What do we got? What do we got? Steve Nash. Let's go. 1996, 182. Looks pretty good. Kind of looks a little bit yellow though. Yeah, that's fire. A little off-centered, I think. Still a good looking card. And last but not least, graded Deion Sanders 1995 Upper Deck. This card was a steal. I think it was like 20 bucks. I feel like if you can get a 10 at $20 like that, it's phenomenal, especially graded. Can't go wrong with that. San Francisco. Used to have a lot of San Francisco stuff when I was a little kid, so can't go wrong with Deion Sanders. And there you guys have it. I'm gonna do an updated video on all the cards that I've picked up so far, but a lot of stuff that needs to get graded, and I still have a lot more coming in. So let me know if you guys like these videos. Should I do more of like, I know what I'm getting, but I don't know, you know what I'm saying? Let me know what your favorite card is that I got today. I'm actually really happy to have this Dwayne Wade. Like, that's cool. I'm a big fan of Dwayne Wade. That's probably whose rookie cards I should try to buy now is Dwayne Wade. I have a book of like LeBron, all the Nuggets players, AI when he played for the Nuggets. I just don't know where it is. So hopefully I can find it in the garage somewhere, because I know I got a lot of cool stuff. There you guys have it. Hope you enjoyed today's video. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Run it.